So, Pythagorean theorem part 2. This one we're talking about the actual formula, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Okay, you can see this a lot in high school. C is always your hypotenuse. Okay, we talked about this last time. This is your longest side of your triangle. Okay, a and b, it doesn't really matter, you can change them up. So here we're going to say this is a, this is b, let's use the formula. Alright, so 3 squared plus 5 squared equals c squared. Okay, we don't know what c is, so we just leave it c squared. 9 squared is 3 squared is 9. 5 squared is 25. If you know your maths, that's 34. Okay, now all we have to do to find out what this side length is go backwards. Notice that 3 squared is 9, right? So if we want to find out the actual side length, all you have to do is square root this to go backwards to get 3, right? Because we know 34, but we don't know what c is. So just like these guys, square root it to find the original, we can square root this guy to find the original. So 34 is square root of that. You can use your calculator. That is about 5.8. Okay, so we can say c, aka the hypotenuse, is 5.8. Don't forget your units. Let's say it was meters. This would be 5.8 meters. Okay, box square your answer, underline, highlight. Make sure your teacher knows that you did it correctly. Let's do another one. Example 2. Here we go. We have a triangle here. We know our hypotenuse, which is 175 meters, and we know B is 168. We don't know what A is. Okay, let's try to solve this. So using our equation, or formula, a squared plus b squared, which is 168 squared, equals 175 squared. Let's first use the square, okay? So 168, you can use your calculator. Okay, square that, you get 28,224, and 175 squared is 30,625, okay? Now, we use easy isolation of the variable to solve what a squared is. Okay, so let's get a by itself. All we have to do is subtract 28,000. From this side, they cancel out. Whatever you do to one side, you do to the other. Okay, so 30,000 minus 20,000 is 401. Okay, and that equals a squared. Now, to find out what the actual side length is, from last example, all we have to do is square root to get rid of that square. Okay, and whatever you do to one side, you do the other. So square root of 2400 is 49. So a equals 49. Don't forget your units, okay? Real easy.